rescue vehicle out there to get him towed out. Now this guy's dying to get going.
Again, checkpoint 3. Or, yeah, checkpoint 3. This is Snore relay. Do you copy?
Well, they're going to log it up. He's not watching the flag man as he tells him to slow down.
Yeah, at 10:19, that's 10.
Rescue's just getting some air.
1098 come through your location.
And it's definitely wet in there too, so it's going to be a little slick on him.
1019.
Yeah, he's definitely got four-wheel drive going in that thing to get him out of here. I'll strap him up in the front and drag him back around and get him off that berm high-centered and unstrap him and get him back underway.
So he gets him on his wheels, and he's not going to be able to get that strap off fast enough for him.
We got a pass going on right in front of us.
Okay, copy 1019, flat tire, checkpoint 1. Check 3, you can disregard 1019. Just look for 1098 for me.
Okay, so let's go on over.
How far back?
Let's go on over to the Gordon's Well berm right in front of us and watch this rescue effort going on.
He has not gone through
pull him up here. See if we can get him out of here.
That might be our MIA flip over. Channel 3 through 8, third lap.
And here we go.
3.
Can he do it?
Check 8, third lap.
And he's done.
He's done.
Now he's gonna. Now he's
got
got
to get him off that strap.
He's like, stop, dude. Just take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
6 about 8 minutes ago, so somewhere along the line he got missed. So 1098 is not a factor.
Run, Forrest. They're still on the course.
There you go, buddy. You're free.
Luckily, infield's looking clear enough right now where they'll be able to get it close.
They'll get out of his way right now, and back underway they go. So that was a long delay for him, and he's going to have a lot of time to make up now. But he's back underway, so
Turn left. Done.
there you have it.